So what we've got here is the ExactApply run screen. So you can see here we have a bar graph which is showing our duty cycle. So currently we are spraying 100 litres a hectare with an 0.5 nozzle with a line pressure of 2 bars. So we've got a very coarse spray. So if you actually look at the spray pattern currently, you'll see a very coarse droplet in the nozzles you can see pulsing. So as we increase the speed, so currently we're doing 9k, if we increase our speed to 12k, you'll see the duty cycle goes up. So anywhere between 25 and 100% is absolutely fine. When we get to 100% duty cycle, the nozzle is on all the time. But at this point, when we go faster than 100% duty cycle, the pump actually increases its pressure, so it then therefore doesn't under apply. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slow down and I'm going to simulate a slow curved run. So as you can see, the bar charts, this is putting more the outside nozzles are now going up to 100% duty cycle, and the right hand side they're going right down. It actually mimics how we turn, so we're not seeing an overdose or a scorch on the outside sections. Likewise, we're not seeing a great big miss and underdose as well.